Have you recommended to the governor that she institute a statewide requirement that students wear masks?
Why isn't MDHHS requiring masks now?
Did you recommend it to her, doctor?
Did you specifically recommend to the governor and to the director of DHHS that implement a mask mandate in schools?
Michigan's health officials grilled by reporters on what they've told the governor and why there's no mandate. Just a recommendation, despite providing data showing the Delta variant could be dangerous for classrooms.
Extremely rapid surges in pediatric hospitalizations. And we could have a similar experience here if we do not make use of mitigation measures.
Upon the repeated questions, Dr. Joneigh Khaldun giving this disclosure.
I have recommended that if a mask mandate were in place and it were followed, it would likely decrease the spread of COVID-19 in schools. But I also recognize that there are many other things that have to be considered when it comes to implementing a mandate.
The governor's office responding in a statement saying in part, as Dr. Joneigh Khaldun said, these smart public health protocols are only effective if everyone works together to protect each other. That's why school districts and local health departments should work together to put in place universal mask policies to keep students safe and ensure that in-person learning can continue this year. Parents on social media divided on mask policies, with some districts just days away from the start of class. Meanwhile, some education leaders are saying they need more leadership from health leaders.
We are not medical professionals. I believe to a person we're not medical professionals. And the difficulty is that we're being asked to make medical decisions. A year ago, masks were required and we required them. Well, now masks are being recommended, strongly recommended, and these recommendations are from the health professionals, but they're not being required. And so that's where the confusion comes in. I'm not qualified to determine if a child should wear a mask or not. I can tell you whether or not their literacy skills are where they should be.
And Governor Whitmer's office says about 60 school districts across the state have decided on a mask mandate. That's about 250,000 students. The full statement from the governor's office, that'll be up on WXYZ.com. For 7 Action News, I'm Brian Abel.